Hey there, and welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to healthcare, specifically health information, revenue cycle, and compliance. I'm Clarice Warner, the girl with the pearls, the founder and education director of the Professional Reimbursement Network, LLC, where coding education is key. And today's topic is very important as it deals with compliance plans for physicians and other qualified healthcare providers. If you didn't know, a compliance plan is a set of policies and procedures that doctors or other providers need to follow to ensure that they are in compliance with all the regulations set by the government. In this video, we will discuss the 8 reasons why physicians, or any provider for that matter, need a compliance plan and why it is so important for them to follow it. But before we get there, let's take a look at the different components that make up a compliance plan for providers. Number 1, written policies and procedures. The first component of a compliance plan is having written policies and procedures that clearly outline the expectations for the practice. This should include policies on ethical conduct, HIPAA compliance, and billing practices. Number 2, designation of a compliance officer. The compliance officer is responsible for overseeing the compliance plan and ensuring that all policies and procedures are being followed. Number 3, training and education. The compliance plan should include ongoing training and education for all staff members to ensure that they understand the policies and procedures and can comply with them. Number 4, auditing and monitoring. Regular auditing and monitoring of the practice's activities is necessary to ensure that the policies and procedures are being followed and to identify any areas where improvements may be made. Number 5, reporting and investigation. A reporting and investigation system should be in place to encourage staff members to report any suspected violations of the compliance plan. This should include a process for investigating and addressing any reported issues. Number 6, corrective action. If a violation of the compliance plan is identified, the practice should take corrective action to prevent it from happening again in the future. Number 7, risk assessment. Regular risk assessments should be conducted to identify any potential areas of risk in the practice and to develop strategies for mitigating those risks. Number 8, communication and enforcement. And finally, the compliance plan should be clearly communicated to all staff members and enforced through disciplinary action if necessary. Now, the 8 reasons why providers need a compliance plan and why it's so important for them to follow it. Reason number 1, avoiding legal issues. The first reason why physicians need a compliance plan is to avoid legal issues. As we all know, the healthcare industry is highly regulated and providers must comply with a variety of laws and regulations. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in legal issues, which can be costly and damaging to providers' reputation. Reason number 2, protecting patients. The second reason why providers need a compliance plan is to protect their patients. Compliance plans help ensure that providers are providing the best possible care to their patients. By following these plans, providers can identify and address potential risks that could harm their patients. Reason number 3, ensuring accurate billing. The third reason why providers need a compliance plan is to ensure accurate billing. Accurate billing is crucial in healthcare because it ensures that providers are paid for the services they provide and that patients are not overcharged. Compliance plans help ensure that providers are billing accurately and that they are not engaging in fraudulent billing practices. Reason number 4, preventing fraud. The fourth reason why providers need a compliance plan is to prevent fraud. Fraud is a serious issue in healthcare, and providers who engage in fraudulent activities can face severe consequences. Compliance plans help ensure that providers are not engaging in fraudulent activities and that they are following all of the necessary regulations. Reason number 5, enhancing reputations. The 5th reason why providers need a compliance plan is to enhance their reputation. Providers who follow compliance plans are seen as trustworthy and reliable, and they are more likely to attract patients. By following these plans, providers can demonstrate their commitment to providing high-quality care and complying with all regulations. Reason number 6, improving efficiency. The 6th reason why providers need a compliance plan is to improve efficiency. Compliance plans help providers identify areas where they can improve their processes and procedures, which can lead to increased efficiency and productivity. This, in turn, can benefit patients by reducing wait times and improving the quality of care. Reason number 7, mitigating risk. The 7th reason why physicians need a compliance plan is to mitigate risk. Compliance plans help providers identify and address potential risk before they become problems. By doing so, providers can reduce their exposure to legal issues and other negative consequences. And reason number 8, ensuring ethical conduct. The 8th and final reason why providers need a compliance plan is to ensure ethical conduct. Compliance plans help ensure that providers are behaving ethically and that they are following all the necessary codes of conduct. This is important because ethical conduct is crucial in healthcare, and it helps build trust between providers and their patients. Compliance plans are essential for providers because they help ensure that they are in compliance with all the necessary regulations, protect their patients, and mitigate risks. By following these plans, providers can enhance their reputation, improve efficiency, and ensure ethical conduct. If you are a provider, make sure that you have a compliance plan in place and that you are following it diligently. It should not just be something that is sitting on a shelf. If you need more information on compliance plans, feel free to reach out to me at cwarner@ohioprn.com, and I will be happy to further discuss your compliance plan needs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. And remember, be safe, be kind, and don't wish for it, work for it. Thanks so much for watching.